Friends, welcome back again to this video series on DBMS. In the last video, we have discussed about the different users of a database. We got that this DBA or database administrator is one of the important user of a database. So today, we want to discuss thoroughly what are the main roles and duties of a database administrator. So let's begin. So you already know that a database administrator's primary job is to ensure that data is available and protected from loss and corruption and easily accessible as needed. So here we have listed some of the chief responsibilities that make up the day-to-day work of a DBA. First role or duties of a database administrator is he decides hardware. DBA decide kore kuntu hardware lole bhal hobo, kuntu hardware database to store korar karone ba use korar karone subidhajonok hobo. Gotike hetute decide korote te economical part to sabo lagibo, dam to kiman kharoj hobo, efficiency kiman hobo hardware to, aru jitu organization of DBA kam kori ase hetu এই হার্ডওয়্যারে সুইট কৰিব নাই, গতিকে ডাটাবেজ এডমিনিষ্ট্ৰেটৰৰ মেইন কামটো হৈছে তেওঁ মানে হাৰ্ডওয়্যাৰটো ডিসাইড কৰাটো. So he often collaborates on the initial installation and configuration of a database. The administrator sets up hardware and deploys the operating system for the database server, and then the DBA installs the database software and configures it for use. As updates are required, the DBA handles this ongoing maintenance also. And if a new server is needed, the DBA handles the transfer of data from that existing system to the new platform. Clear? Then he also manages data integrity and security. So data integrity need to be checked and managed accurately as it protects and restricts data from unauthorized use. So this is the main duties of a DBA to make sure that his database is secured from unauthorized use. So he needs to know the potential weaknesses of the database software and the company's overall system and work to minimize the risk. No system is 100% immune to attacks, but implementing best practices can minimize the risk. In case of a security breach or irregularity, the DBA can consult audit logs to see who has done what to the data. Okay, and then database design. DBA is held responsible and accountable for logical, physical, and external design of that database. Next one is database implementation. DBA implements DBMS and checks database loading at time of its implementation. He also monitors the performance. So monitoring database for performance issues is part of the ongoing system maintenance a DBA performs. If some part of the system is slowing down processing, the DBA may need to make configuration changes to the software or add additional hardware capacity. Query processing performance. So performance monitoring shows where the database should be tweaked to operate as efficiency as possible. So the physical configuration, the way the database is indexed and how queries are handled can all have a dramatic effect on database performance. With effective monitoring, it is possible to proactively tune a system based on application and usage instead of waiting until a problem develops. Clear? So these are the main responsibilities of a DBA. And besides these responsibilities, he is responsible for troubleshooting also. DBAs are on call for troubleshooting in case of any problems, whether they need to quickly restore lost data or correct an issue to minimize the damage. A DBA needs to quickly understand and respond to problems when they occur. So these are the main responsibilities of a DBA. Clear? Thank you.